Yes, good evening students. Welcome to live daily 7:30 p.m. YouTube live session for class 10 students biology as well as chemistry. So today we are going to start the chemistry's first chapter, chemical reactions and equations. Yes. So join as early as possible. Already it's 7:31 it is. Yes, shall we start now? Are you ready? Yes. Yes. The chapter name chemical reactions and equations. Okay. Before starting this chapter, I want to discuss few things. Okay. Some physical changes and chemical changes will be there. Already you have studied in your lower classes. Okay. Physical changes are nothing but they can be reversible. But chemical changes only they cannot be reversible. They are not reversible. So complete new product will be formed. That is called as chemical changes. Okay. Why chemical changes happen, students? Because of chemical reactions. Yes. So burning of candle gives carbon dioxide. Which change it is? Can you name? Can you tell that one? Physical change or chemical change? Okay, burning of candle gives carbon dioxide. Food is cooked. Can you tell what is this? Physical change or chemical change? Food is cooked. Okay. Grapes get fermented. From grapes, wines will be made. Okay, grapes get fermented. What is this? Whether it is a chemical change or physical change. We respire. Okay, what is that? Respiration, breathing. What is that? Burning of wood or coal or LPG, petrol, kerosene, burning of these fossil fuels. What is this? Physical change or chemical change? Food gets digested in our body. We eat the food will be digesting in our body. Which change it is? Physical change or chemical change? Yes? Few seconds, students. Yes, so many students have joined here. Are you a teacher? Yes, OMZ, I am a teacher. I teach for class 10 students. Yes, thank you for joining OMZ. Okay, fine. Let's continue, students. So whatever just now I have told few examples, all these are chemical changes. Chemical changes occurs due to chemical reactions. What do you mean by chemical reaction? So let's definition I have written here. Chemical reactions are the processes in which new substances with new properties are formed. Okay, wood, you are burning a wood. It will become into charcoal or it will become ash. So new substance is formed and along with new properties are formed, students. Milk. So milk, we are making curd from milk. Can you make curd again from curd to milk? No, not possible. It is so chemical reactions generally are irreversible. They cannot be reversed. Okay, fine. So now you are understanding. Food is digested in our body. Food is cooked. What is that? So all these are chemical reactions. In chemical reactions, so new substances are formed. Okay, new substances are formed along with new properties are formed, students. Yes. Now let us discuss what are the general characteristics of chemical reactions. So four general characteristics are there. If any one takes place in that reaction, so that is a complete chemical reaction. Or all four may occur, or one may occur, two may occur, all any four, three. Okay, all may occur or some may occur in chemical reactions. So what are the characteristics? Let us see one by one. The chemical reactions take place by the change of state. What do you mean by change of state? Solid to liquid, liquid to gas. You burn camphor, कपूर, कपूर आप लोग जलाते हैं, ओके? तो कपूर जलाने से क्या हो जाता है? सॉलिड से डायरेक्ट गैसियस में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. सब्लिमेशन यू हैव स्टडीड, ओके? सॉलिड स्टेट से गैसियस फॉर्म में चेंज हो जाता है. दैट इज द चेंज ऑफ स्टेट स्टूडेंट्स. फूड इज कुक्ड, क्या हो जाता है? ओके, लिक्विड, यू आर व्हाट pouring the water in rice. After when you cook that rice, okay, paddy, when you cook that one, it will change into rice. So water has been what absorbed by this paddy and converted into rice. So water, liquid, it completely changed to solid. So this is the first characteristic of chemical reaction. Chemical reaction takes place by the change of state. The second characteristics, let us see now. Chemical reactions occur by change of color. Sometimes what happens during chemical reactions, color will change. Okay, so many examples are there. So examples we will see afterwards. Just some characters we will see. What is the second character? Change of the color. Okay. And the next third one is chemical reactions occur with the evolution of gas. Yes. Water is there. Okay, electrolysis process if you do, what will happen? Hydrogen and oxygen. Yes. So what happens? Water, when you electrolysis, hydrogen gas is liberated, oxygen is gas is formed. So the chemical reactions occur with the evolution of gas. First one, change of state. Second one, change of color. And the third one is evolution of the gas. And the fourth one, the chemical reactions occur with the evolution or absorption of heat energy. During chemical reactions, what happens, students? Heat will be released out in some chemical reactions. In some chemical reactions, heat will be absorbed. In this chapter, it is there endothermic and exothermic, students. Exo means outside. Okay, the heat will be released outside in exothermic reaction. In endothermic reaction, heat will be absorbed. That is the fourth state of fourth characteristic of chemical reaction. The chemical reactions occur with the evolution or absorption of heat energy. So wherever I have underlined, so that is the main point, main characteristic of chemical reactions. Chemical reactions definition we have seen. Okay, so new substances with new properties are formed, and characteristics of change of state, change of color, evolution of gas, or absorption or evolution of heat energy. So these are some of the characteristics of chemical reactions. So the chapter name is chemical reaction and equations. Chemical reactions definition we have seen. What do you mean by chemical equation? Chemical equation is nothing but you are writing that reaction in a statement form. Yes, let us see now what do you mean by chemical equation. In definition, it is a statement. Okay, what is statement? Chemical equation is a statement used in chemistry to represent a chemical reaction. Chemical reaction you are representing in a statement form. How? By using symbols and formulae. So already you know there are totally 118 elements are there, students. 118 elements are there. So these elements already you know that when you have studied in your previous classes: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, copper, nickel, zinc. 30 elements just now I have told you. Like that, totally 118 elements are there by using their symbols. If elements are there, symbols we call. If they are compounds, compounds means what? When two or more elements will combine. Example, H2O. What is H2O, students? It is a water formula. When two elements are combined, we call it as a formulae. Formula for singular, so many are there, formulae. And only the symbol will be there, hydrogen, oxygen, those are called as elements. So symbols we are calling them. Okay, by using symbols and formula, what we are doing, the chemical reaction we are representing in a statement. Okay, so here I have written, so this is chemical reaction occurred now, that one I have written in statement form by using symbols and formulae. Yes, so here one example is there for chemical equation, magnesium ribbon. So in my short video I have done this experiment. If you want to see, you can see there in my YouTube channel, in my shorts I have uploaded this video, burning a magnesium wire will be there. Okay, so if we burn that one, it burns in a dazzling light. It burns, and in the atmosphere what is there? Oxygen will be there, students. So magnesium, when you burn in the presence of oxygen, it gives a white powder. So that is magnesium oxide. So students, this is an what? Chemical reaction writing in a statement form. Equation, chemical equation. After chemical reaction, we are writing it in a chemical equation. Just a few seconds, students. Any doubts are there? Any questions are there? आवाज नहीं आ रहा है अच्छे से. Yes, it will come now. Just keep watching. Some disturbance was there, so now the disturbance is very clear now. Fine. Thank you for joining so many students. Thank you. So let's continue our session. Chemical equation you have written, sir. Yes, Mg is a magnesium and O2 is a oxygen and MgO is a magnesium oxide is formed. So you have written two here, two and here, two. What is this? So this is nothing but we have to balance. In a chemical reactions, what happens? Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it is transferred from one form to another form. So that's why that we are writing 2 and 2 here. So now we are going to discuss about this, the same continuation of this one, how to balance a chemical reaction. Okay, chemical equation, how to balance a chemical equation. So have you understood this topic? So once again a quick revise. So chemical reaction definition I have given here. So new substances with new properties are formed. So characteristics: change of state, change of color, evolution of gas, and change of evolution or absorption of heat energy. So these 4 may occur in chemical reaction, or any one may occur, 2 may occur. Okay, fine. So this chemical reaction we are writing in a statement form, that is known as chemical equation, by using symbols and formulae. So let's discuss here now the next topic, that is how to balance a chemical equation. Okay, yes, I will just rub only this thing. So don't go anywhere, please keep watching and share to your friends as much as possible. If your support is there, then only I can do this live session. Okay, so you have to score more in your class 10. So physics, chemistry and biology, I will take the class live session. So let's see here. Hydrogen, oxygen. Okay, so what happened? Water is formed. So whether this is a balanced or unbalanced, can anybody reply here? I have written the first chemical reaction, whether it is a balanced or not. Can you comment? Yes. Let's continue. See, two hydrogens are there. Yes. So first we have to understand. So this part is known as reactant. Reactants. So this part singular is their product. If more are their products. Okay. So we have to understand this arrow mark. Before this arrow mark, whatever this comes, so these are called as reactants. Why they are called as reactants? Because they reacted together. Plus I have written. Okay. So separate elements or what some compounds will be there. They react and afterwards new substance is formed. So these are called as reactants. After reaction, the result will come. Now the new substance will come. Now that is known as product. You have to remember, this is very important. Basic thing it is. These are after arrow mark product, before arrow mark reactants. So whether it is balanced or not. So what I have taken here, hydrogen. H2 means what? Hydrogen. O2 means what? Oxygen. When hydrogen and oxygen combines, what happens? Water will form, students. So daily we use water in our body. 70 to 71% of our body what consists of water. So how water is formed? By the combination of hydrogen and oxygen. So whether it is the topic is balancing the chemical equation. So whether it is balanced or unbalanced, can anybody tell? So it is unbalanced, students, because here hydrogen 2 are there, hydrogen 2 are there. Okay. But oxygen is 2 here, but here oxygen is 1. Here nothing is there means it is 1. And you have to keep in your mind, if we write anything here, if I write 4, these 4 we have to multiply with this hydrogen as well as it belongs to oxygen also. If we write any number before, we cannot change the numbers here for balancing. Only we can write here we can write, students. Okay. So how we have to balance? So it is a trial and error method. So perfectly we cannot balance directly. We can, but sometimes what it happens, there will be a problem. So what we have to do? We have to use a trial and error method. Again we have to rub, again we have to write it. So hydrogen 2, hydrogen 2, oxygen 2, oxygen 1 is there. We have to make it 2 here. How we have to make it 2? So 2 I am writing here. Yes. Now oxygen became 2. Okay, this 2 belongs to oxygen also, hydrogen also. So hydrogen became 4 now, sir. 2 into 2, 4. Hydrogen became 4 hydrogen became here, and here only 2 hydrogens are there. What we have to do? Just we have to put 2 here. Simple. It is now completely balanced. How it is balanced? 2 2s are 4 hydrogen, 2 2s are 4 hydrogen, oxygen 2 and oxygen is 2. Balanced equation. Got it? Clear? Simple method is there, easy method is there, trial and error method. So next we will take some other examples also. Yes. Fe means what? Can anybody tell? What do you mean by Fe? What is the symbol? The symbol belongs to which element? Yes, iron it is. What it is? Iron. Fe means iron. When iron combines with chlorine, Cl2 means chlorine. Cl means chlorine. Okay. 2 chlorines are there, 1 iron is there. When these will react, what will happen? FeCl3. So whether it is balanced or not, it is not balanced, students. Fe is 1, Fe is 1, iron is 1, iron is 1. So here chlorines are 2 and chlorines are 3 here. So what we have to make? So we have to make it balance. So we cannot make it, if we put 1 here, 2 ones are 2, it will become, so it will not become balanced. Just what we will do here, I will put 3 here. Why? 3 2s are 6. and chlorine 3 2s are 6. What iron became here? Fe. How much? It became 2. This, so already I have told you, this 2 belongs to this one also and this element also. So chlorine 2 into 3 6, chlorine 3 into 2 6, but iron became 2 here, so just we have to put 2 here. It is balanced. 2 iron, 6 chlorine, 2 3s are 6 chlorine. So it is now balanced, students. Simple is there, just we have to practice. Okay. Yes. So we will take another example here. What do you mean by Na? Na means what? What is symbol of which element? Na when combines with water. See here, elements are combined to form compounds here. In this reaction, what we are seeing, one element and one compound, and it is forming another new substance. Okay, one compound is there, one element is there. Na means sodium. Okay, so H2O means water. So what happens here? NaOH will form plus hydrogen gas will be liberated. This direction, okay, in chemical reactions, this direction what represents that gas is there. Okay, above the symbol it is there means it is gas, liberation. Okay, if any reaction it is there downward, okay, so that is downward displacement means it is a precipitation. So what do you mean by precipitation? We are not getting. Gas we have understood. Okay, gas is released. So this is the symbol. What is this precipitation? You take soil, okay, glass of water, put the soil. What soil happens? It floats or whether it will sink. Okay, the soil will sink. That is known as precipitation. Precipitation symbol. If any chemical reactions, triangle will be there. Okay, this is the symbol of heat. What is this? Heat. This is precipitation. Okay, precipitation. What is this? Liberation. This symbol represents liberation of gas. Understood? So whether it is balanced or not, students, please tell me. So it is not balanced because, see here one hydrogen is there. So separate elements we have to take and we have to balance. We cannot balance the whole formula. Okay. Here one hydrogen is there. Here one hydrogen. Here two hydrogen is there. 2 plus 1, 3 hydrogens are there. Here 2 hydrogens are there. So we have to make it even number. It will become very easy for you people. So shall I put 2 here? This 2 belongs to Na also and also hydrogen also and also oxygen also. Yes? Shall I put 2 here? Yes. 2 Na. So Na is 1 here. So we have to make it sodium. 2 here, 2 here. Now, hydrogen 2 plus 2, 4. Here only 2 hydrogens are there. We have to make it 4. How we cannot change this number. So we have to put 2 here. 2 2s are 4 hydrogen. Sir, oxygen it became 2 now, sir, here. Here also oxygen became 2 here. Automatically we put here hydrogen for 2. Yes. So now it is completely balanced. So once again let us see now 2 sodium, 4 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen plus 2 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen in the products. Products and reactants we have to make it equal. So now oxygen, 2 oxygen and also oxygen is also 2 here. Yes, it is completely balanced. So now take another example, potassium chlorate. Okay, potassium chlorate, one formula is there, compound is there. Okay, so when you heat it, it will become potassium chloride plus oxygen. Oxygen is 2 here and oxygen is 3 here. So it is not balanced. Potassium is 1, K means potassium, you have to remember. Cl means chlorine. Chlorine is 1, potassium is 1, chlorine is 1, potassium is 1, but oxygen is 3 here, but oxygen is 2 here. So we have to make it even number. So 3 2s are 6. 6 oxygen. Here for making 6 oxygen, what we have to do? Just we have to add 3. 3 2s are 6 oxygen. 3 2s are 6 oxygen. So potassium changed into 2 and chlorine also changed into 2. What we have to do? Just we have to put 2 here. 2 potassium and 2 chlorine. See, if plus symbol is there, this 2 will not belongs to this another one. Okay, clear? So plus symbol is there means only this 2 belongs to this group. Okay, 2 potassium, 2 chlorine. 2 potassium, 2 chlorine. So it is balanced oxygen 6, oxygen 6. Clear? Fine. So we will take another example here. So why I am giving you these many examples? For understanding the topic, what? Balancing the chemical equation. N2 means what? Nitrogen plus hydrogen. So we have to leave gap here when balancing. After writing plus or arrow mark, we have to leave some space for balancing purpose. So when hydrogen and nitrogen combines, what happens? Ammonia will form students. Gap I have left here. Okay, gap. Ammonia. NH3 means nitrogen and hydrogen when combines, it will become ammonia. Chemical reaction has taken place. Yes. 2 nitrogen but only 1 nitrogen. So what we have to make? 2. 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen. So as already I have told you, if 2 I have written here, it belongs to this one also. So 2 3s are 6 hydrogen. So here only 2 hydrogens are there. For make it 6, what we have to do? 2, how much? Just 6. 2 3s are 6. So 6 hydrogen, 6 hydrogen, 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen. It is balanced. Are you getting? Understanding? A easy topic is that chemistry. Yes. Yes, very nice. Today's session, what we have studied in this session, the chemical chapter name is chemical reactions and equations. In this chapter, we have discussed chemical reactions definition, chemical equation definition, and characteristics of chemical reactions. And then we have studied here how to balance a chemical equations. Okay, so if you have not understood this one, I will take some more examples in the next class. So chemistry, I will continue this class in the next session. So please be with me. So daily 7:30 p.m. watch my YouTube live session, Shri Gopal Kulkarni. For watching videos, you have to subscribe my channel. So please support here. So more questions I will solve in the next session, students, because my timing is 7:30 to 8. Okay, so thank you for joining. Anil, yes, thank you. King Music, OMZ, definitely sure I will solve this chemical equations balancing in the next class. So I have some work here daily 7:30 to 8 p.m. So please watch my channel. So until then, keep working, keep watching, practice more. Definitely will score more in class 10. Thank you, students. Take care. Bye bye.